$21,756 profit, and I'm going to show you in this video how exactly you can copy these kind of profitable trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. So watch this video very carefully, and I only ask one thing in return from you. Please do like this video and share it with your friends who need it. So without doing any delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you can see a link in the description or in the first comment below. That will be my link for the free Telegram channel. You need to join that. Okay. Also, you can, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you one strategy video where I have shown you exactly how I have turned $10 into $2,541 by multiplying that investment with a simple to understand strategy. So watch this video till the end so that you can get that video anywhere at the screen at the end of this video. So the thing that you can do easily in order to make this kind of profit without trading by yourself is copy my trades. So I hope you have already joined my free Telegram channel. If you haven't, then do join that Telegram channel and follow the instructions given there, and you will be able to get my UID. Once you get that UID, just simply log into your pocket option account. The screen will look like this even if you are in your mobile phone. So you just need to find the social trading. If you are in mobile, it will be at the below. Okay, check there. Just click on that social trading feature and just click on this kind of place, and you will see a search at here. Just click on that search. Now once you get my UID, just enter that UID and you'll see a name appearing at here. Now I want to repeat here. Okay, this is not my UID. I'm only showing you it as an example so that I can make you understand how you can exactly copy my trades. To copy all of these kind of trades that I have shown you previously in your account without trading by yourself. Okay, so just click on that name and then click on copy. Once you click on this copy, then you'll see these 4 boxes. Now I'll strongly suggest you to ignore these 3 boxes. Don't touch anything at here. Okay, because whenever some changes that have been made in these boxes by my VIP copy traders, then all of my trades were not copied in their account for whatever reason. I don't know that, but I would suggest you to not copy all of these 3 boxes. Now if you are worried about your balance getting wiped out, I have a solution for that. I'll show you what is that. Okay, so let me again show you. Okay, the trades that I make is only of $200 in each trade. I don't make more than $200 per trade or less than $200 per trade. Okay, so my trades are consistently $200 per trade, and maximum of the time we are only going to make 3 trades in one session, and we do 1 session per day. Okay, so sometime what happens, we mistakenly or like intentionally we make 1 extra trades. That is another thing. Okay, but most of the time we only make 3 trades. So previously I used to make lots of trade. Okay, and that mistake is rectified. Now onwards in my copy trading service, I don't make anything more than 3 trades. Now let's again go to this step. Click on social trading, go to search, paste the UID, and you'll see a name that is appearing at here. Just click on that name, click on copy. Ignore all of these 3 boxes. Now this percent is relative to my per trade amount. So if I'm making $200 per trade, that means if you put 100% at here, then you are going to copy my $200 per trade in your account automatically. So that technically means 1% is equals to $2. So if you want to copy $2 per trade, just make it 1%. If you want to make $10 per trade, make it 5%. And simply click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades. Now another important thing, that is your balance getting wiped out. For example, let's say you have $1,000 in your account and you only want to risk $200 in your account in my copy trading service. So now instead of putting that stub balance, what you can do is you can only put that $200 in your account and withdraw that $800 account. So you are only going to risk that $200 account in my copy trading service. It is as simple as this. Okay, now in case of minimum copy trade amount, as I have already told you that I only make $200 per trade, that means it is fine to keep it 1. The maximum copy trade amount should be unlimited. If you make anything changes at here, then also all of my trades wouldn't be copied in your account. If you want to take that risk and make changes to these, If that is your choice, I'll not force you to keep it as it is, but this is just my suggestion. Okay. So let's assume that you are copying me 100%. And let's say if you have copied me today, then you could have made a profit of $552. And if you have copied me yesterday, then you could have made profit of $756 because we have made 4 trades yesterday. Now, if you have any confusion, I will just reload it so that you can see that these are not the screenshots or something like that. These are the real trading results that you can see here. Now don't forget to watch the video that is appearing anywhere at here, where I have shown you how I was able to turn that $10 into $2,541 by using an extremely simple strategy. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.